Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FM not available on Apple Music. So let me tell you that when you try to play the song and you try to download the song from Apple Music and it's not working, it's showing the error like this, or it's showing the error like this song is currently not available in your country or region, then I'll show you how can you fix it. Just simply have to close this page first and just simply have to open the settings. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down. First of all, you have to make sure that you have updated your device. Now tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on iPhone storage. So first of all, you have to offload the app and then reinstall it and then go back, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on language and region. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to select your region. So after selecting the region guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page, and after that you have to open the setting. From here you have to tap on your Apple ID. From here you have to scroll it down. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. Now from here guys, you have to wait some seconds. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to put the password if it's asking. So let me show you here guys if it's asking or not. So if it's asking here, from here you have to put the password of your Apple ID. So let's wait. So as you can see guys, it's asking you to put the password. Now I'm going to put the password here. So I have given the password, so you have to wait some seconds. So after that you have to tap on country origin. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to select the country which you have selected before. So just simply have to put the same country. Because the song is not available in your country, that's why it's not working. Just simply have to tap on change country origin. Scroll it down all the way and select the country. Let me select here. So after selecting the country, wait some seconds again. So here are the terms and conditions. So you have to read it carefully and then tap on agree if you are agree. Now here you have to select your payment method, and here you have to put the credentials, and here you have to put the billing address. So you can put fake one as well, and just simply have to put the city name or state name if it's asking. Okay guys, just simply have to put the city name or state name as exact one, and after that you have to put the zip code about your city. If you don't know about the zip code, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser, and here you have to put the phone number. So you can also put fake one as well. Then you have to tap on next, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.